do, YouTube? It's your boy Wild, man. As y'all can see by the title of the video, today we're gonna be talking about nitrous. Right now I'm in my 5.0. Finna just get ready to head to Mexico and do a few pools. But on the way there, I'm just gonna talk to y'all about this nitrous. I've been getting a lot of questions about it. And so right after this intro, we're gonna get it to it.
This my way of living, just fought it with extension. Guess I will shoot it at you. I am not the one to matching. Niggas with that dissing, but they won't come on dissing. Money in my vision, me and Franklin siblings. Nigga, this my way of living, just fought it with extension. Guess I will shoot it at you. I am not the one to matching. Niggas with that dissing, but they won't come on dissing. Money in my vision, me and Franklin siblings. Where I'm from, bitch, the
Alright guys, so hopefully y'all can hear me over the pipes. If you can't really hear me, I try to talk louder, but I do apologize for the exhaust. But anyway, man, so a lot of people think nitrous is bad. So nitrous really got like a bad name for they say blowing up the car. This everybody think like it'll blow up your car, damage your motor, all this type of stuff. So first thing first, with nitrous, you want to make sure you get it installed professionally. And so like a lot of you guys, they got old school cars and old Hondas and Mitsubishis that want to go fast. They kind of do the nitrous themselves and they hook it up the wrong way. So they might have a bottle where it's right next to the seat to where they can just open it up and they run a direct line right into their intake with like a hole or something they done drilled or something like that. And so when you do it the wrong way, that's when you start running into issues. You either spraying too much fuel, too much nitrous, you don't have like a relay or anything like that. You just opening up the bottle and pressing a button and just spraying complete nitrous and fuel directly into your intake. And usually you'll see folks blow their intake. Damage their motor when they do that. So the first thing you want to do with nitrous is make sure you get it installed the right way. And secondly, you want to make sure that you're not abusing it when you use it. And what I mean by that is you got to know your car. You got to know the bottom end of your motor. You got to know how much your motor can take. And so you'll see some guys that want to go so fast, they go out, they want to shoot a 200 shot, or they want to spray a 250 shot, a 300 shot of nitrous. And most cars don't need all that. I mean, if you know your bottom end can't handle 700 horsepower, don't go out trying to run a 250, 300 shot of nitrous. Of course, you're going to damage your motor, especially if you're racing every week. And so, for me, I run a 75 shot daily on my car. But I'm not racing every week. That's right there is, I barely even drive my 5.0. But the 75 shot is just for everyday, you know, driving if I'm in it. I might cut the bottle on and I might have somebody pull up next to me, so I might purge it and run them. But other than that, you know, I got where I can go up to 150 shot if I'm at the track. But like I said, it's all about being responsible with nitrous. It's all about how you use it and how you get it installed, honestly. You know, do it professionally. That's about professionally install it. Buy everything that you need for as far as bottle openers, bottle warmers, you got the purge. So, you know, get all the accessories that come with it. That way you know you're doing it the right way. But the blowing up the car part, as far as that, a lot of people get that from the Fast and Furious series. So if you're familiar with Fast and Furious, you know, they always hitting a button to make the car go fast. Kind of like in the clip that I dropped in the beginning of the video. And then I drop another clip for y'all. But they feel like nitrous will blow your car up. Because, you know, it's a gas, which is a myth. I mean, you can you see people putting torches to nitrous bottle to heat them up. It got non-flammable gas on the actual bottle. So I mean, you know, that's really a myth. Everybody's scared that shit. You hit the button and your car gonna boom, explode. That ain't the case. Why do people add nitrous? So for me, myself, I'm not really into the racing. So you won't catch me at the track every event that they have racing. I go and watch, but I'm not too big on actually building a race car. And so I didn't want to spend 6, 7, 10,000 grand on supercharging or pro charging or turbo in my car. And so nitrous is the cheapest way to go fast. You see a lot of guys, like I said, with the Hondas and the Mitsubishis and stuff like that, they'll just go nitrous instead of putting a big blower or something like that on their car. Like I said, you can add up to 150 horsepower on a 150 shot, 175 shot, and it's quick and it's easy without having to change a lot of stuff out, especially if you're on E85. So if you're on E85, you get a bigger shot because it's more lean, so you get more gas and more nitrous into your intake. A lot of people go nitrous, like I said, because it's more cheap. It's the cheapest way to go fast. You get it installed right. You get to a 10 or a 15 pound bottle, and you can get a decent amount of hits on that nitrogen. Versus, I think like a full kit can range from anywhere to like $600 to $1,000 of nitrous. And then you can get it installed professionally. I don't know, maybe about $400 to $1,000, depends on what all you buy and who you go to. But for under $2K, you can add nitrous. Ain't no way you gonna supercharge or turbo or pro charge your car for under $2K. Not the complete kit or the right way. And so, like I said, nitrous is really like the cheap way to go fast. You got 150, 175 shot of horsepower directly going to the wheels. And so that's why you see a lot of guys go nitrous. But I'm gonna give y'all a video of what it's like having a nitrous car, man. Like the drivability of it, and show y'all a few hits. But just to answer a few questions that I know people be having, you know, why do people go nitrous and will it blow up your car? All this stuff just myths. It's really all about being responsible and getting it installed the right way. So if you think about adding nitrous to your car, or if you want to go fast and you don't have the money to get supercharged or turbo or anything like that, I do recommend going adding nitrous. I had a nitrous outlet, but you have nitrous express. You have a whole bunch of different people that do nitrous. I went with nitrous outlet because they have so many accessories and then they easy to get in contact with. We're gonna end the video right here, guys. I'm gonna drop another video for y'all doing some nitrous pulls and showing y'all the daily driving of the car and